Hey everyone, welcome to Creative Box Builds, your daily health transformation hub right here in the USA. I'm Sarah Robert, and today we're fixing that nagging back pain you've had after 50 with just 10 minutes of simple yoga. No fancy equipment, no gym membership, just you, me, and real results. This routine helped thousands of Americans wake up pain-free. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes and you'll feel the difference before we're done. Hit that like button if you're ready to move better tomorrow and subscribe for weekly health wins. Let's get started.